In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy a drawing to Word without exporting in AutoCAD. If you need to drop a plan, detail, or diagram into a Word document quickly, this simple copy and paste workflow will keep you moving without the extra time of exporting. First, decide how you want the drawing to look against Word's white page. In AutoCAD, you can switch your background to white for better visibility inside Word. Or keep it black for a classic CAD-style appearance. White blends seamlessly into the page and often makes thin line work easier to read in documents. Black preserves that familiar CAD contrast and can look striking in technical reports. This choice is purely visual and reversible. So pick what best supports your document. Next, select the objects you want to bring over. Use your usual selection method to capture exactly what you need, then press Ctrl+C to copy. If you want more control over where the drawing lands in Word, use Ctrl+Shift+C instead. That lets you specify a base point before copying. Choose a logical point like a corner, center, or any snap that will help you align the drawing precisely when it's pasted. Now move into Microsoft Word on the Home tab. Open the Paste drop-down and choose Paste Special. This step gives you control over the format so your drawing looks right and behaves the way you expect once it's in the document. You'll see Format options. Choose AutoCAD Drawing Object if you want to preserve editability inside Word. With this option, you can open the object later and make CAD-level changes, which is great for documents that will evolve. Do keep in mind that this can increase file size and depends on AutoCAD being available for editing. Alternatively, select Picture. Windows Metafile if you want a lightweight, scalable graphic. This format keeps lines crisp as you resize and usually performs better in longer documents. But it won't be editable as CAD geometry. Pick the option that matches your priority: future editing or speed and stability. Once it's pasted, click the object to adjust its size. Drag a corner handle to resize while maintaining proportions. Avoid side handles that can stretch the drawing unnaturally. If you need to tighten the framing, right-click and use the crop tool to trim extra space so the content sits cleanly on the page. Take a moment to check legibility at the final size. Line weights and text should remain clear and readable. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.